Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we're checking out the new Sony X900H TV. It's 75 inches, 4K HDR, and we're setting it up in my living room right now. And here it is! Thank you so much to Sony for sponsoring this video and letting us showcase this TV for you guys here today. Oh my god, I cannot wait until I have time to do nothing but play video games. Let me cover some of the key features first. The most important things to highlight on this TV is the clarity, the contrast, the color, motion, and the sound. Now with the new Sony X1 4K HDR processor, Sony is one of the only TV brands that can actually incorporate their picture processing to allow for an incredibly accurate reproduction of what the original creator had in mind for their content to look like. There's even a Netflix calibrated mode, so you can watch Netflix originals and reproduce the same picture quality that comes directly from the studio. So here's Netflix calibration off, and now let's turn it back on. The display features a full array LED with extended dynamic range. Now what this means is that the contrast and the shadow detail is preserved while also giving you really impressive highlights. Now I know that I've been talking a lot recently about shooting Dolby Vision HDR content and even how to edit that properly, so you'll be able to display it on a TV like this one that does support it. And this is actually some content that I shot in Dolby Vision HDR, edited on my phone, and now it's airplaying to the TV.
What is that? Is that a person? Or is that a...
So smooth.
That is a person's feet.
So smooth.
Yes.
Dolby Vision HDR.
Some sort of activity.
I love it! Color is always something that I'm always paying a lot of attention to. So this display uses the tri-luminous display that is powered by the X1 processor to reproduce more colors than any conventional TV. It analyzes and processes all of the data in every single image to make the colors even more natural. X-Motion Clarity is a really cool feature that will allow you to view very fast action scenes without blurring. It optimizes every single image and it boosts the brightness as needed, so it'll be super smooth. Now the sound on this TV is one of my favorite things because there are these sound positioning speakers at the back of the TV, so it actually feels like the sound is coming directly out of the display. Whoa, oh my gosh, the control, holy moly, everything is awesome. Now a lot of TVs usually have speakers at the bottom, so it doesn't produce the same type of sound effect. And now for gaming, it has a 7.2 millisecond low input lag for really fast response time. It also has a Bravia game mode that will automatically detect a gaming console and will switch the TV to low latency game mode. Wait for it. Oh look, we don't have to wait for it. Setup is complete. Oh wow. Oh wow. So with that 4K HDR and full array LED, you're gonna get incredible picture quality, and the acoustic multi-audio will give you that immersive surround sound to match your game. Oh my god, this controller is amazing. Wow. It's so freaking cool. Look at us playing around in the PlayStation. This is awesome. I love this so much. Much like most TVs nowadays, they need to be smart. This one has integration with Google, Amazon Alexa, and even works with Apple's AirPlay and HomeKit. Alexa, turn off living room TV. I'm so excited for next-gen gaming and all of the content that has been coming out recently to fully take advantage of 4K HDR. This TV is going to be so much fun, and I just cannot believe that the next-gen consoles are here. So it really is like the future is here now.
Show